Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at calculus, short calculus 1, differentiating using the quotient rule. The quotient rule, quotient rule is just one of the rules of calculus which is used to solve calculus questions or to express calculus equations. For example, the quotient rule can only apply if you have a coefficient on top and the numerator is a algebraic expression. So now this coefficient rule has a formula, and the formula goes like dy dx is equals to v du over dx minus u times dv over dx divided by v squared. Just like that. This is our formula which is going to use to solve this question which came in 2023 ADMA paper 1 question 8a. This is just a simple thing actually. So what do we do here? Just find we first find v and u. So and how do you find v and u? So look at the given equation in the question, which is y is equals to 5 over 2 minus 3x. So here our u is always a number on top, in short the numerator, which is our u will be equals to 5, and our v will be equals to the denominator, which is 2 minus the denominator, just a number which is at the bottom. Then v is equals to 2 minus 3x. So now after finding our v and u, what do you do? The next step is you differentiate what you've found, the value of u, and you differentiate the value of v. So how do you differentiate the value of u? So just simply say du over dx is equals to 0. Why we have gotten a 0 here simply means that each time you differentiate a coefficient or a number which doesn't have a letter, the answer will always be equals to 0. So we go to v. How do you differentiate v? Just say dv over dx is equals to the same rule. When you differentiate a number which doesn't have any letter on it, the answer will be 0. And when you differentiate a number which has only a letter, but that letter doesn't have a power on it, you remove it, you eliminate it, or you forget it. So in our case here to be -3, since this letter doesn't have any power. If you want further clarification or further clearance on this, on differentiate, please just leave a topic or a comment in the comment section. Then you can do differentiating, depending on those who need to understand differentiating. But otherwise, this is how you differentiate v and differentiate u. So now we just go back to the same given formula, whereby you say dy dx is equals to our v. What we found our v there is 2 minus 3x close bracket multiply with our value which we got after differentiating u, which is 0. You put 0 right there. So after putting 0, subtracting according to the formula here. So the value of u we found is 5, so just put 5 here and say open bracket. Since we are multiplying, if you don't see any mathematical operations between numbers or letters, it means they are multiplying. So the one that put in brackets that we're multiplying. So here we say dv over dx. So dv over dx, what we have found here is what? When you say 0 minus 3, the answer will be -3. So meaning here to be -3 over the value of v, you put it in brackets, substitution, then to the power here, to the power 2. Then you just continue simplifying from here. In our case here, if you look at the equation which is this, we will say that dy dx is equal to, when we say what's inside this bracket times 0, the answer will be 0. So we write 0, and when we say -5 times -3, the answer will give us positive 15. over the same thing here. There's no need to express this bracket, you just leave it where it is. Just copy it and paste it, which will be open brackets 2 minus 3x close bracket to the power 2. Here when it says 0 plus 15, the answer is still going to give you 15, so meaning that our final answer will be therefore dy dx is equals to 15 over open brackets 2 minus 3x close brackets to the power 2. That's your final answer right there, and you get your 3 marks in the exam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share as well.